Hello, my name's Adrian Cockings and you're watching Keystyle TV. And today I'm going to take you around Villa Bella, a beautiful 3-bed fully reformed Alcor villa here on El Valle Golf Resort. So, as you come into the property, you're immediately greeted with this beautiful dining area, living room to the side, and a lovely lounge area, perfect for entertaining guests. Yes. Yes. And here is your lovely kitchen. It's been fully extended out to where the utility room used to be, giving you extra worktop space, perfect for any chef. Yes. And this is your second spare bedroom. This one is classed as the travel room. Why? Because of all the travel pictures that are around me. You've got a double wardrobe with sliding doors on the side and this beautiful bed which has been lit up with LED lighting. And here is your master bedroom. You've got built-in wardrobes to the side, a lovely floating bed with LED lightings around, and you've got these 2 patio doors which lead out to this. Yes. 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 As this property is west facing, you're going to get sun practically all day. You can already see and feel the amount of light that this property gets. This property has been very looked after. You can tell when you step through the door that this is not just a villa, this is a home. The outside area, which was fully open, has now been enclosed with glass sliding doors to create a lovely office area and another lounge area. That's it from me here at Villa Bella, but if you want any more information about this property or any other properties that we have on our list, make sure you check out our website at www.keystyleproperties.com and make sure you like, comment and subscribe to keep up to date with all the latest property videos. Well, my name's Adrian Cockings and I'll see you next time.